In this video, we will be solving a previous example using our new chain rule notation with some annotation so we can see how much simpler moving from statement to statement can be. As before, say we have that the formula A and B or C implies D is valid, and say we also know that the chain of equivalences A is equivalent to B is equivalent to C is also valid. Call the chain C. We want to prove that A implies D is a valid formula. As in the problem statement, let's start with A and B or C implies D is valid. We then expand this formula into an equivalence chain. We see that this formula is equivalent to A and B or B implies D, which we see by the replacement corollary and the chain C. See that this is equivalent to A and A or A implies D, which we see by two applications of the replacement theorem corollary and chain C. We see finally that this is equivalent to A implies D, which we see by the replacement corollary and truth tables. We can then use the chain rule to say that A and B or C implies D is equivalent to A implies D, and therefore that A implies D is valid.